Hey guys, I'm out in the old shop here working away and working on a table actually, and I'm thinking table, food, And I got a hankering for something I'd made before, but I thought I'd make it again. Some balsamic tomato chicken, absolutely incredibly good. So I'm gonna head on in and make some, so let me share it with you.
Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is grab out 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and make slices diagonally down them. And this is going to do a few things. It's going to make them look pretty cool, let that sauce we're going to make up soak in, and let them bake better. Speaking of sauce, let's go ahead and make that up by combining 2 tablespoons of olive oil with a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, because it is balsamic chicken, and use a good balsamic vinegar, guys, if you can get it. It makes all the difference in the world. Followed by a tablespoon of brown sugar to sweeten up our lives. And for our seasoning, we're going to use a teaspoon of dried thyme, a teaspoon of fresh oregano, you can use dried too, a teaspoon of pepper, and of course a teaspoon of salt. So we shall just go ahead and dump this into the mix. And now you know me, just guts to have the garlic, so we're going to add in 3 cloves of fairly coarsely chopped garlic. Then we'll just go ahead and give everything the twirly old mix until it is nicely combined. And guys, this is really smelling good. I just love the smell of balsamic vinegar anyway. I mean, just look at here. How can you possibly resist? Okay, to prepare our baking bed, let's grab up some cherry tomatoes. And this is, I don't know, 12 or 15. And I'm going to add these to a 9x9 baking dish. Next, we're going to slice up a red onion. You can use white, but I just like the taste of the red. Throw the onion over top of them there tomatoes. Then about a stalk of chopped up celery over top of the tomatoes and onions. Now you probably guessed it, grab up those chicken breasts, and we're going to dip that in that ever so wonderful sauce that we made up. Just roll it around and make sure it gets completely covered. Now I have to mention too, guys, that we did go apple picking at an apple orchard, and I got some great apples, so our next video is going to be an apple crumble. Oh, so good. Alrighty then, let's grab up that chicken and put it over top of that wonderful bed of veggies. Oh, I can just imagine the taste of this. Yummers. And of course, any of that remaining sauce, we are going to pour that over top of Mr. Chicken. Just can't leave that sauce out. And I say Mr. Chicken because everything seems to have a pronoun now, so chicken might as well. Now we are going to slip this chicken into a 375-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until it is done. After about 40 minutes, just look at this, my friends. Doesn't this look absolutely gorgeous? This is going to be incredibly good. So there you have it, my friends, our absolutely incredibly scrumptious balsamic tomato chicken. It doesn't get much better, and it really doesn't get much easier. So let's kind of lift this up and take a peek, but doesn't this look good? And I mean, plate it up, and you could plate it up over some rice or some mashed potatoes, lots of that sauce left over. That would be so yummy. And of course, you simply have to get some of those veggies over top of the chicken, just, to complete the process. And you cut into this, guys. It is so good. I mean, the chicken is nicely done. It is tender. That sauce is simply to die for. It is a must make. And if you do make this up, leave us a comment in the comment section below. And if you're so inclined, give us a like, because it does help out the channel. And most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.